My name is Kevin Hayes. I work for Vectors. I'm the optical repair tech. I been doing this line of work since 1995 when I started with Geotronics. I enjoy the work I do. I like working with my hands. Other than that, I like doing a lot of outdoor things. That's why I moved here to Colorado. I was born and raised in Chicago, and got out of there in '95 when I moved out here. And I love being outdoors. Love being in the mountains, seeing the mountains all around. I've never been a Midwestern person, so to say. So that's about it.